no, that Africa and the takeout is that Africa is not immune to coup. So don't stay in Ghana. Ghana and our democracy must be protected. Must be protected because the Gen Z for no more come a different. Okay, you munti.
Nana, no one are using Wabu Boss or Nana Adiwi, SCT and Nhyira because the third term, African countries are presidents are no more to so more try some best and do more term. Ede basa yeba o mainim. Nana Burundi. Eka Hubi. So here April 2015 then President Pierre Nkurunziza he attempted to do that. Nana nipa wuye through that 1115 deaths. And no more record it tells you when you make such attempt and it's going to raise a lot of issues in the country. Nana Nigeria ne o maye kui. Kuwe first time o mayu o maye bebre and nana one na ka Mamadou Tanja edie ho okay former president ono so try say ko change constitution no so extending the terms and the names mo di coup tu no it is hard ye ka ho asem no enya de very small things on so obeye no na sisi so no ye nhye ne so se Ghana nana ye kanzo ye nka ne kese most of our security in Crawford no are political. Yeah. We know it. Yeah. NDC, let's not pretend say
that's true.
The MPP, the NDC is playing in our security agencies. Yeah. And then even the patterns of recruitment and all those things we know and appointments. Yeah. And then run yet extension was it. Yeah. Why? And the other qualified people who could be IGPs. Yeah. Nana, no man see it here dangerous. And I've mentioned Burundi to you. I've mentioned Niger. The other country, even Burkina Faso, and it's also a president. Yeah, Ouattara, one what me for fourth term. And so you see, serious and a idea. Meaning say His Excellency John Dramani Mama, as peaceful as he is, he has said a number. And say he will not even attempt because we are democratic. Yeah. And will not do that. A sing a song no around no. We beg them. Right. We beg them.
Mami be lines no na yendi and common. A